because I've never tasted anything like that before.
What happened?
Is it too sour?
It's too sour.
Yes. So I'm actually gonna put some sugar in it if you don't mind.
Yo everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Robert Peter, okay? And today's video, guess what? I'm gonna be asking my girlfriend, my Asian girlfriend, to cook the famous Nigerian jollof. Guys, are you ready? Okay, this is how it goes. She has been watching me cook jollof rice for a few times, and while cooking sometimes I give her some tips on how to cook it, and now she said she's ready to cook it. Okay, so this is how it's gonna go. While she's cooking it, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna tell her if she's doing it right or wrong. I'm just gonna let her go through it. Okay, she's gonna buy the foodstuffs by herself. She's gonna cook it by herself, and at the end we're gonna see the outcome. So guys, let's go. She's already in the kitchen. Let's go check her out. Okay, let's go. What's up, baby girl? How you doing?
I'm good.
And how are things going?
It's going well. I'm cutting the chicken. I just washed it.
So can you tell us what you'll be using to cook right now?
Today I'll be using tomatoes, bell peppers,
Okay,
onions,
okay,
yeah, and chicken. And some ingredients here for seasoning.
okay, cool. So you have to tell people what's your name and tell them that I've never taught you how to cook this before, just some few words.
Actually, when I asked you before about those tips, I already noted them down in my phone.
Oh, you noted them, you wrote them down on your phone.
Yes.
Oh, that's a good student, isn't it?
Yes. Difficult.
I would love to help you, but the rule is I'm not going to help you with anything.
I would know if it's not sharp enough. We need to sharpen it.
Okay guys, actually I helped her cut the chicken because it was kind of hard, and I can see she's looking through her notes. Okay, so what next?
I'm gonna season the meat now.
Okay.
Okay.
Guys, we made a video where I pranked her. You guys can go check it out. I pranked her. How do you call it? Fake proposed to her, and she was so mad. Can you tell us how you feel? What you felt about the video, the prank?
I don't even want to watch that video, but I've forgiven you.
So sorry. That was my bad. That was really my bad.
Obviously, it is. Okay, first salt. I'm not sure how much I need to put inside, but I don't know. Just let's see. I hope it's enough. I hope it's enough. Okay, not too much. Okay, then black pepper. Okay, should be enough. What's next? Sorry, let me check my notes. Cinnamon. Okay, this is cinnamon.
Can you show us what you put in?
Cinnamon powder. I'm not a fan of cinnamon, so I'll just put a little bit. Okay. Okay, next is onion. I know you guys been arguing about Ghanaian jollof rice is better or Nigerian jollof rice is better, but let me say, I would say Chinese jollof rice.
God, please, no! No!
They
No!
play.
No!
Because of this thing you said, you say now, it's finished between us. How can you choose Chinese jollof rice over Nigerian jollof rice,
I
bruh?
have to peel it. I think it's already peeled. So a little bit of onion. This much. I don't know. I hope it's enough.
Do you guys have this kind of dish in here, China?
No. It's totally different from Chinese food.
Why do you say it's different?
Because the way you make it and the taste, the ingredients you put, and it's totally different.
But there's something like, do you guys call it fried rice? Chinese fried rice. Is it?
Oh.
Can you say it's the same?
No, it's still not the same.
But they look the same. Do they look the same?
No, not at all.
They don't look the same.
No.
So what I added next?
This pepper powder.
Okay.
Okay, last one. Magic. Magic.
What is this you're adding to it?
It's called magic.
What is magic?
Magic is magic.
What is magic?
Some water. Okay. Now let's just wait. Oh, more water. Okay.
So guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your views. Share what you think and what kind of videos would you love to see next. So what was your first impression when you ate jollof rice?
I was surprised, fully surprised, like, because I've never tasted anything like that before, like in China. So it kind of like surprised my tongue, my mouth, and then I found there is something in the world can taste like this so good. For real, to be honest. I'm not overreacting. Okay, last, tomato. Oh, it's too full. Press. Okay.
They're saying that we Africans, we don't measure ingredients we add into the food. What do you think about that?
I agree.
Are you the same?
Yes. So far, do you see me measure anything? I'll just put everything according to my mood. Okay, so it's boiling again. Now I will add the chicken sauce into the tomato sauce. Nice. Okay. I'm impressed by myself.
So what's next? What does your note say?
This is not a cheating note. It's my experience note. So I will add more salt and other ingredients to make it taste better.
Okay.
I'll just add little by little, make sure it doesn't go wrong. A little bit more magic.
What do you call it?
It's called magic.
Who told you it's called magic? Why do you call it magic?
Because it will make your food taste better.
Actually, guys, that is chicken poulet. In Nigeria, we call it Maggi, but this is the Chinese version of Maggi. Can you show them? Can you show them the Chinese version of Maggi? Yeah.
Okay. I like spice, but not too much, so I will add a little bit more. Okay, enough. Okay, now it's the sugar time.
What?
No, I'm kidding. Okay, so I'll taste again. See if it's good enough. Too sour. Jesus.
What did you say? What happened?
I said too sour.
It's too sour.
Yes. So I'm actually gonna put some sugar in it if you don't mind. Please don't judge. I told you this is Chinese Jollof rice. Please don't judge. Okay.
Are you really adding sugar into jollof rice?
Why not? Today you'll learn.
Oh my God! She just added sugar into jollof rice. Guys, let's anticipate the outcome. Because I didn't teach her this. Did I teach you this?
No, I freestyled it.
Okay. Look at me. Okay. So most of the times you don't have to put a lot of water. If not, it's gonna be so soft and sticky. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No. Okay, now let me get some foil paper ready. Okay, it's made just like this, and I will cover it of the rice. Wait for a few minutes. I'll add the meat in it. And also onions.
It's making this jollof tiring.
Yeah, because stirring the rice is very heavy.
And how long have you been making the jollof rice?
I didn't count the time, and I guess about 40 to 50 minutes.
Does it take this long to cook Chinese food too?
Definitely not. It will probably be done in 30 minutes for probably 3 or 4 dishes.
30 minutes for 3 or 4 dishes.
Yes.
That's really fast.
Yes. I'll cover it for the last time. Then when I open it later, it will be done.
Smell it pouring.
Have off the water. Okay, now it's officially done. Okay, let me taste a little bit first. The rice, maybe to you, it's too soft. I know you like hard rice, but to me, it's perfect. So maybe you can sit down and I will serve you a plate.
Okay guys, she has finished making the jollof rice, and it doesn't look bad. Come closer. It doesn't look bad. It looks nice. Okay, so right now I'm gonna have the first taste and tell you guys how it tastes. I'm gonna be blunt. So sorry guys. One more. Okay. First of all, it tastes good. It's good.
Thank you.
But one, the rice, some parts are really soft, and there's still that hard part. I think it's because of I told you guys, the rice, the cooking pot, and how it's supposed to be cooked. Here in China it's a different way, because you have to steam it, so every part of this thing has to be cooked. And the sugar part actually worked. I think she added sugar so that the sour taste wouldn't be there anymore, and it actually worked. It's not sour anymore. It's just okay.
Try the meat.
I can taste some sugar part. Chicken is perfect.
I see you enjoy it.
Yeah, the chicken is so perfect. So perfect. Like 100 over 100, bro.
Okay. Rate this jollof rice from 1 to 10.
I'll give her a 8 over 10. She deserves it. 8 over
Not
10.
bad. Not bad.
And I want to tell you one of your mistakes.
Okay.
The tomato should have fried it very well, like very, very well. If you fry it very well, it won't have the sour taste, and you won't have to add sugar to cancel out the sour taste.
Okay.
So guys, I have to finish this. Okay, so bye bye. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thank you guys.
Thank you for watching.